this is my second vlog of Kundampatti. So the road is completely ghat road and curve roads, and such a very nice view, and especially from that Eriyur road and Chinnampalayam and all that, Chinnampalli and all that. So you should, if you're a nature lover and if you love to visit this in and around of Dharmapuri, and this is definitely a very good choice. And this is the kind of beautiful houses we see on the village roads. These colorful houses are very, very attractive. And this is the village temple with the nature scenery and a background of backdrop of hill and nature. And these temples are really powerful because they are situated in the nature. And no disturbances, no pollution at all. So we are passing this Stanley Reservoir here. It's a Kaveri river. Can you show your map, that mobile, Sriraj? I'll just show the route, how the ghat road looks. So it's basically ghat roads in the sense it's full of curves here. So when it is 20 kilometer, it would take around 45 to 50 minutes to reach this place. So the road is completely covered with, see, on the sides of the road it is fully water, filled with Kaveri river, Mother Kaveri. Looks beautiful in the evening. So what happened is we started around 11 o'clock in the morning and we missed 1 hour of route. We went, instead of taking the Pennagaram route, we took another route. So we have reached around 7 o'clock here, 7 o'clock in the night. So at this time, the temple Kundampatti will be closed normally because it's situated in the mid of the forest and hence it's closed. And it's also raining here, and it's a very nice road because a lot of people are there on the left and right side of the road. You can see a lot of houses here. So it's nothing to get scared, but just that it's dark, and in some part of the road it's dark, and in some part of the road there are lights because there are houses in and around, and the cattle rest houses are also there situated, and there is farming also going on the left and right side. So we are enjoying this road, and it's another 1 kilometer to reach the temple. But the temple will be closed now, I'm sorry, but we can see it from the outside. So maybe next week or so we will come again and we will show you in the daylight on how the temple looks now. Right. So we have to take a turn here, right. I think it would be very beautiful, and it's and the temple has lot of dolls here, where according to the wish of the devotees, the temple, they have made a doll. I think the priest would make a doll, or there would be a people who would charge for the number of dolls or what kind of doll they want and all that. So you have dolls like doctors, engineers, teachers.
In 200 meters, slight left onto Odenor Road.
And if the devotees or longing to marry or something of, or if they have a wish to marry, then there is another temple also here. So they would make a
slight left onto Odenor Road.
Bridegroom, and if the devotee wants to become a doctor, have babies or want to have a baby, then they would donate a baby doll. Or if they want
in 200 meters, turn right toward Manayappan Koval Road.
So like that it is.
எங்க பாருக்கு சீடா சொல்லு ரூட்
straight இல்ல இங்க turn
Left.
left
Here, left here. So this is actually the night dark view of the roads.
that pole போச்சு பாத்தியா
Muniyappan temple, and the board is here, so you can see this. So this is the board. So this is the way to the Swamy Muniyappan Koil, Kundampatti. But since it's raining and it's very dark, we are unable to move. Though அந்த பையன் இருக்கான் பாருங்க. We can ask him.
சார் அண்ணா
தம்பி,
இது கோயில் இப்போ திறந்திருக்காதுங்களா? இப்போ போக முடியுமா? நேராக போகணுங்களா? அது இங்கே ரைட் சைடுன்னு காட்டுது மேப், அதுக்கு தான் சொன்னேன். ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாக தான் எங்கே அப்படிங்களா? வண்டி போகுங்களா? ஓகே ஓகே, பட் இந்த டைமில் போகலாம், ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை. சரி,
இங்கே பாரு யாரோ.
Head east on Manayappan Koval Road, then sharp right to stay on Manayappan Koval Road. In 300 meters, your destination will be on the right.
Which way, left or right it is? Sriraj, can you check whether it's left or right there?
it's the maps fault pa
சரி, இட்ஸ் ஓகே.
அது இங்க காமிச்சது இப்போ ரீரூட் பண்ணி கரெக்ட்டா பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கு. ஸ்ட்ரைட் கொஞ்சம் பார்த்துட்டே போ.
பா மெதுவா வா. பா மெதுவா வா. So we reached the temple. The temple is really beautiful, and it's a powerful Munishwaran Swamy temple.
நாய் வந்தது இப்போ, இந்த சிவன் வந்த மாதிரி இருந்தது எனக்கு.
ஆமாம்,
நான் எப்படி வேண்டிகிட்டே இருக்கும், டவக்குன்னு வந்தது.
ஆமாம். Can you see different type of dolls? Inspector, lot of dolls here also. Okay, thank you for watching. We will come again in the one day in the daylight, and we will show you the temple. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.
யாரும் வச்சுட்டு இருப்பாங்க ட்ரீயை
When did you see that?